It's home tour day. I'm at 1574 Rowell, R-O-W-E-L-L, I want to call it Rowell Street. I'm here in the Village of Lake Denham. This is a 3-2 Whispering Pine floor plan. We're going to go on and do a home tour. It is on the market now. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. Before we get started, two important things, well, three. You want to check out my book? It's a resource guide, the Villages Florida Playbook. You can get it on Amazon. If you want to search for a home, if you're not already registered, go to my website. It's up here, robyncavallaro.com, and you can begin your home search online. You can search by area. Big truck coming by. And lastly, if you're a realtor out there and you happen to be watching this video, I do have a course coming out called the Agent Authority Lab. It's where I teach realtors to do what I do. Comfortable on camera, how to become the local authority. You're gonna wanna check that out. All right, let's go on in and take a look around. All right, we're gonna step on inside. Now we have, can you hear that? That's all LVP flooring, carpet in the bedrooms. This is a 3-2 Whispering Pine floor plan. This will be gone. They're getting that out. Split bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms and a bath on this side, and the primary is on the other. We'll take a look around here. Now we're probably about 6 minutes away from Sawgrass Grove by golf cart. We do have a closet. So what's great about this style, you have different places for you to make arrangements. Like you could turn this, I gotta show you what I did with my nook, I wanna call it, dining room nook in my house. I'll show you here. I had a custom piece built for my desk. Now you could do that here. I wasn't cheap, but it made the room look so much larger, and you could have a beautiful workstation and beautiful piece of furniture that will just enhance this space. This does have an entranceway, which most of my buyers like. They don't like walking into the room and right into the living room. So you do have an entranceway. You can put a little table there for keys. I don't know if you maybe have some collectibles, you can put them over here. But you do have a nice big open canvas, large kitchen, interior laundry. High volume ceiling. Lots of bright light coming through. This is a northeast facing property. So you're gonna get a little bit of sun in the afternoon, but it's going to be at an angle. So this is the primary. It does have a Roman shower. Again, high volume ceiling, all knocked down. We are south of 44 down here, and natural gas. And natural gas means tankless hot water. I'll drop the notes below, the bond, the CDD. You'll see that all run through here. But I'm interested, what do you think of this floor plan? I know so many of my buyers have floor plans that they love, and I just tell everyone, be open. Don't get stuck on a floor plan, because you may have walked into this and didn't like it the way someone had it decorated. So you have to keep all of your options open. This is Roman shower. Everything's all tile, all very clean, very well kept. This home's barely been lived in, and they used it for the owner's parents. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot to go in that bedroom. I got sidetracked with the, hey, it happens. So we got pocket door. This is the second bathroom. There is a linen closet right outside of it. QUARTZ countertops. And that's a cast iron tub, and it's low. You know, as we get older, no one wants to step over and get into the tub. We don't have to do that here. And it has a frosted glass window. You can raise that curtain, or you can put a door on it, or if you are so inclined, replace it and put a shower. Eventually, that's what I will do. I have an insert in mine. I would eventually put just a shower in there. There's no need for the tub. And really, for the amount of time, my kids, their children are not getting older. They're still little, but they live here, so it's not that big of a deal. Let's walk into the kitchen. Now, of course, this kitchen has a really big sink, and you know how I feel about the big sink. I just love it. Quartz countertops, and they're white. There's a little bit of a pattern in there, but nothing that's going to conflict with anything else you might want to do if you decided to put backsplash. Got range, clean. Microwave. You know, these homes are 2 years old, so it's like getting a brand new house. Look at that. Tell me you don't need any more space in your kitchen. Look how huge those shelves are. Soft closure. Everything you need could fit in there. And the store is never really far away. I'm gonna go into the laundry. Oh, here, fridge. Looking good, stainless steel. You do need to get a washer dryer, but there is a utility sink, and you do have extra cabinets up above. And this is a standard 2-car garage. Air handlers here. Of course, irrigation and your electrical panel. You know, though, this is bumped back. You could fit 1 car and 2 golf carts in this garage. Not a problem. Because this is where my feet are there. So this here would be about a standard 2 where I'm standing here, but you definitely would get 2 cars and a cart. Now, I'm not talking about one of those big monstrosity 4-seater facing forward. I'm talking 2-seater or 2-seater with, or 4-seater, excuse me, with the back seat facing backwards. That's what I have. I don't know, I like it better. All right, let's go take a look outside. All right, this is a really long lanai that you could enclose if you want. A lot of people like to enclose their lanai. Personally, it's not for me, but of course everyone's not me. And you have an extra poured concrete here if you wanted to extend your lanai, or you can put your barbecue out here. Now, to enclose something this size, probably about, I'm gonna say about 18,000. If you want to do it right. All right, let's take you for a walk around the block. Tilt-up wall construction, which means it's all concrete, poured concrete, and the windows are, you know, everything comes in, they pop it up. Got some fresh mulch here. Oh, look who's here. If you want to put a glass insert in your door, those are the people you want to call. They come, it's quick, they do a great job. They did the Chief's house, so you want to check out, you know, I'll put a link to that video. I wish I would have known about them when I remodeled my house, because I actually bought a door, but they did a nice job on his house, and it's a lot less expensive than replacing your whole door. Especially if you're down south here, a lot of the new doors they're putting are solid. So give them a check them out. Village's Decorative Glass. There you go. What do you think? Cute house, right? It can be yours. My name's Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for joining me on this home tour, and I want you to check this next video out about the bond, the CDD. It's my money map series. You're going to find it really informative if you're beginning your home search here in the Villages, Florida. Until next time, I'll see ya.